Well, welcome to Unit 8. You'll actually see some notes on this in the shell for this course. But Unit 8 really marks a shift in our study for this semester. We've already finished out the grammar, and now we're going to take bigger chunks from the New Testament and spend really the entire unit studying those particular passages of Scripture. So you'll find that for this unit, we're going to spend our time in 1 John chapter 4. You're actually going to translate the entirety of 1 John chapter 4, 21 verses. And the structure of the class is going to change a little bit. A couple of different things are going to be important there. One, you're not going to have the same structure in the sense that you won't have a test at the start of every lesson one. Matter of fact, in the first 3 lessons, you're actually going to be translating a portion of the text in each lesson. And then you'll actually have a vocabulary quiz at the end of this lesson. So really the structure of the course is going to change because we're actually focusing much more on translation. How do we translate from the Greek New Testament? And then how do we move from translation to exegesis? So you'll learn some things that operate at a bigger level, sort of what we'll call a discourse level, where we're not just looking at the small units of text, just even individual verses or individual words, but we'll be looking at bigger clauses, how verses relate to one another, and even how we can see the structure or the flow of some of the passages that we're going to be translating from. So each unit, you're going to work on a new passage. You'll translate it. You'll even do some phrasing, as we'll learn about in this unit, and then offer your own exegesis of the passage, really seeing how you can bring your own studies to bear in interpreting the passage. So one of the things I just encourage you at this point, some of that is going to be a little bit difficult at the first unit, right? I hope that by the end of the semester, you're better at doing this than you are in the first unit, this first chapter of 1 John. So don't be too discouraged if some of this is difficult for you. We're going to continue to work on it. We're going to continue to practice it as we go throughout the course of the semester. So you'll just get better and better, not only in your translation, but in your exegesis of the Greek New Testament.